Good morning! Today we are going to take you to 3 drive-thru coffee spots on Aruba. Let's go! And our first stop is here at the Island Grind at Palm Beach. Buen día. ¿Me podría un cappuccino chiquito?
Un cappuccino chiquito, sí, ¿desea suco?
¿Con sugar?
Sí.
Sí, ajá.
¿Sí? ¿Desea algo más?
Sí, un latte, medium.
Yeah, alsjeblieft. Un momento, cena, please.
Sí. And in case you want to have breakfast, they also have like pastiches and other goodies, so you can have something small to eat as well.
Alsjeblieft, medium latte sin suco.
Uh-huh.
Un cappuccino con slamba. Dank je,
Yeah,
feliz
thank
día,
you.
¿no?
Okay.
Feliz día.
Buen día. Un cappuccino chiquito con Splendid y un medium latte sin suco.
¿Quieres normal también?
Sí.
¿Desea algún sabor especial?
No, esto, no, siempre.
Alsjeblieft.
Ajá.
Cappuccino chiquito
Aquí.
y el latte.
Dank je.
Alsjeblieft.
Oké, pas buen día. Ayo.
Adiós.
Buen día.
Buen día, me podría un cappuccino chiquito
Ok,
y un latte mediano,
ok. Un cappuccino y un...
un latte medium. Buen día. Hartelijk dank.
Feliz
Oké,
día.
ja. So guys, we are ready to try the coffees.
Yes.
Yeah. And we got the first one. So you can see the sizes. This is from the coffee grind,
Coffee grind, yes.
the Santos,
The coffee
and
table.
the coffee table, the
Yes.
last one. So mine is coffee table, definitely the largest one.
Yes.
And the presentation, I liked the Santos with
Oh, yes,
the
with
sticker in
sticker.
front. That's very nice. And I do like this one also. Yours have a design. Maybe that's not important for your coffee,
It's nice to see.
but it's nice. So you go first
Okay.
and see what you think about it.
Well, I choose a cappuccino with splendid sugar. Okay.
And hers is a small and mine is a medium, so most places do have a large also usually.
Super, super good.
That's
yeah,
super-
you really taste strong coffee. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for my first one also, the coffee grind. Yeah, it's good. It is strong coffee. I agree with that. Most of the time, latte is not as strong. I do like that one. Let's go for the second one. Yours? This one looks a little bit smaller, but
Yeah. Okay. It's different. It's less strong.
mine is less strong as well
Yeah.
from the Santos.
But it tastes good.
It still
Yeah,
it still
it's-
tastes quite
yes.
good. I agree. I agree. And
The
let's go
last
for the
one.
last one.
No. For me, it doesn't taste very good. It
Tastes like mine tastes like plastically.
yeah. It's
I don't know.
not a coffee taste. No. Oop, no. No. So
Not
this was
my
the
favorite.
coffee table. It's not very good. No.
Not my favorite. Unfortunately, this is the large one. Otherwise, I would have loved it.
Jammer.
But this is not. Yeah, it's not my favorite to be
No.
honest, and not yours either.
No.
And I think from these two, let's see. I would go. Let me take a last shot.
I do the same.
For me personally,
Yeah.
it comes down to personal taste. So
Yes.
our taste, don't take our word for it per se.
No.
Maybe you will like this coffee, but for me, it's definitely this one, the first one, the coffee,
coffee
grind.
grind.
Yeah,
For me too.
yeah.
Yeah,
I do
definitely.
love the Santos very much.
Yeah, me too.
And I think it's a great choice as well.
Yeah.
It's a little bit less taste of the coffee.
And I love the drive-through.
Yeah,
It looks very nice.
it's definitely the most beautiful drive-through.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
a little bit hidden from the road, but there are some signs.
Yes.
So we'll put the Google Maps so you know where to find it. But apart from that, this is if you're
Yeah,
looking for a
coffee
good
grinds.
coffee, our choice is the first one.
Yeah.
And this one,
No,
no.
it don't taste like coffee.
We found the service also from the coffee, and you may have noticed it from the video, but the service was not as good. The service at the Santos was really good, and,
Yeah.
and here it was good
Yeah.
also. I think the service
Happy
at the
girls.
Santos
Yeah.
was definitely. So we'll try that again. The Santos was the great service. We love the service here. The service at the Coffee Grand also
Yeah.
very good.
Very sweet girl. Yeah.
We are used to going through the drive-through.
Yes.
This was the first drive-through we went
Yeah.
through.
Yes.
And what I didn't like about the coffee table either, that they didn't have the menu outside and with the prices. And I will be putting the prices of what we paid for these coffees. So you know, you have that information, of course.
Yeah.
But the other two places, definitely top notch. And this one is closer to the high-rise hotels.
Yes.
And the Santos, they do have a location, not the drive-through, but they do have location at the low-rise hotels
Yeah.
next to the Alhambra Casino.
Yes.
And this one is more downtown, kind of like near the port.
Yeah.
Worth noting is these two, the service was also quite fast, and
Yes.
this one was the slowest.
It took us a little bit longer.
Maybe a minute or two extra.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's more or less what we think about these drive-through coffee. Let's enjoy them.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and let us know in the comments below which coffee place you like the most on Aruba. Bye bye!
Bye bye, folks.